Hello, good morning. In this video we will see how we can install and get the installation ID of LDSperimetral system. It's very simple. You will see that you just have to download the system, unzip it and run it. The first thing that the system will say, if you do not have a previous license, is that you don't have a license. Here you have your installation ID. That is the number, the unique number that you have to send us to get a license. This number is unique. I mean, in any other computer, that license number will be different. So it is important that you do this process in the computer where you are going to install LDSperimetral system. So let's go for it. In just a second, open our web page, go to the downloads section, and here in the download section select the last version. You have the option of the standard version or the indoor version. Remember, the difference between standard and indoor is the limitation of the size of the perimeter system. So just click download. Here you will see the application downloading. It comes in a zip file. So what we will do after the download is open the downloads folder. Here we have the application, and unzip it. To simplify the process, we will unzip it in the downloads folder. I suggest you to do it in the desktop folder for a definite installation, or in the downloads, in the documents folder, in any other place that is not the downloads folder. But I will do it here just for simplicity in this moment. Copy, paste, and here we'll have the folder name LDSperimetral and the version, so you can get a new version without removing the previous one, having all documents perfectly organized. It's quite fast, and here we have it. Inside the perimeter system we have the perimeter and the bridge. That is the tool to send notifications to other systems when things happen. Things are when new sequence are started and when sequence ends, etc. Not the scope of this video, just you to have it. Go to the perimeter folder, and here we will find our executable file, right? LDSperimetral executable file. We run it. The first time it may take a few seconds because of the security checks, and here we have the information about our license. The installation ID is the number that you have to provide us so that we can send you a temporary license or a full license, right? This is the number. In case you have to send it to us, copy, paste it to an email, make a screenshot, whatever you want, right? Remember, this number is unique, so be sure to be in the correct computer when you send us the installation ID. Otherwise, the license will not work in the computer that you want. So, in this moment, I will not enter any license, just will continue in the demonstration version. Remember that the demonstration version is exactly the same that the final version, the registered version, but with the word demo in the in the output of the system, right? So you can test it, you can play with it. The only difference is that you will see a demo message in the perimeter system if it is not licensed. Thanks so much for your time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.